Hey vlog, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I'm going to be recording a week of my life vlog, starting with Monday, which this week happens to be my day off. I'm chilling here with my boyfriend. We both have the day off day, which is so exciting and very rare. So we are doing laundry right now, as you can probably hear in the background, and we are going to a surprise party tonight. I'm so excited. Life is very good, you guys. So I'm gonna take you along with me on all the adventures I go on this week. And by adventures, I mean nothing. Okay, so today on my day off, I think I wanna do my hair. It needs a bit of a refresh. It's kind of busted right now. The bleach, I just refreshed my bleach a few weeks ago, but girl, look at this. We need a refresh for sure, a reset. I need to reset my color. I'm thinking about doing something different because I've had these ghost pink roots for way too long. Way too long. So I think I'm gonna refresh it, maybe change the color, and style my bangs so I don't have to clip them back. But we'll see. And if I do my hair, I'll take you along with me and show you the process. Editing Caitlin here to say, yeah, I recorded the whole process of me doing my hair and edited it into a video. I'll put the link somewhere here if I can figure out how to do that. So, yeah, you can watch the whole tutorial there. It's like 20 minutes long, sorry. But I had to get the pink out of my hair first, and then I had to add color. So it was like a whole 2-hour long process. So, be glad the video wasn't 2 hours. I also got, like, no footage of the surprise party, so deal with that. Next vlog, I will do better at recording things, I promise. Welcome to day 2. I did my hair yesterday, and this is the reveal. We've got the peekaboo purple bangs, which I think turned out perfect. That dusty, like, purple color turned out amazing. And then I've got the orange sideburns and the ombre strands. It just turned out better than I could have expected, considering I did a custom blended color and I didn't know what I was doing, and it just turned out a lot better than I thought it would. So I'm really stoked on it, and I'm about to start getting ready for work. I have to head to work here in about an hour, and I may take you along with me and show you some of the things I get into. Here I say I'm gonna take y'all along for Taco Tuesday. I forgot to do that. Sorry again. My bad. Promise. Hello and welcome to my car. I'll wait. Anyway, I'm on my lunch break at work, so I'm just chilling in my car. Most days at lunch, I'm not like super hungry. I just kind of want to get out of the building and not be at work for a little while, so I just sit in my car. And usually I draw in my sketchbook or scroll on my phone or catch up on my friends, see what they're doing. Like, I just kind of have a little moment of peace in my car. So I figured I'd take y'all along with me. Today is Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. I have been working on editing a hair dyeing tutorial. I think it's going to be the first video on my YouTube channel, so this will maybe be the second. We'll see. This is my first time doing a YouTube channel. I've always wanted to start one, but I never knew what I would do it about. So I just decided to jump in and do it about the thing I know the most about, me. And so I'm just going to take you along with my life and show you the things I do. It's boring, but some people like having boring stuff on in the background while they do like dishes. I'm your girl. I love having a little boring podcast on while I do dishes, you know, or clean the house. I like to listen to people just talk in the background and fill the void, so I'm not like listening to my own thoughts. Yeah. So that's the goal of this channel, is to just kind of give you boring background noise. Hopefully my voice is not like too irritating and annoying, but we'll see. We'll find out. This is going to be the try. It is February, mid-February just about, and it feels amazing outside right now. It is, it's not going to say. It doesn't say on my watch, but it feels lovely out here. It is warm. It is a very warm February day. So, lovely day to sit in the car and just hang out. I'm breaking in a new sketchbook. This is a crescent render that I ordered. It's got those bleed proof pages, you know I love. But last night I started drawing in it. It was dark. I was drawing in the dark both places I was drawing. So now in the daylight hours, I'm going to take a look and see what I actually drew. First page I did, I drew these at the bar where it was kind of dimly lit. And I didn't know what to draw, so I just draw what I always draw when I don't know what to draw, which is just weird eyes. And then I'm working on a t-shirt design for one of my friends as a gift. So their favorite band is Big Thief, so I thought I would do some different kind of Big Thief text. I've already done some digital sketches of this, but I was practicing some more. And then I wanted to do like a metal-inspired one, but I don't know how to do metal text. So this was my second attempt at trying to do something kind of metal themed, and it's just not something I'm very good at, but it was worth a shot and it was a fun exercise. So I may revisit it and try to tighten it up a little bit and see what I can come up with, but definitely not a strong contender. I do like how this one turned out though. This is definitely more my speed. So yeah, and I'll update you on the process of this t-shirt. I'll be screen printing it myself. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but my design has been cut out in the vinyl. It's really hard to see because it's like white on white, but now I have to go in with one of these tools here and I will weed out all of the stuff I don't want in my stencil. I also have a pair of tweezers to help me out here. And these are what I'm gonna be using for the next probably 15-20 minutes to weed out this design, and then we'll stick it to the screen. All right, so here I'm weeding the design out with the little pick tool you see. It's kind of tedious and boring, so I sped it up for you a little bit, and it's still kind of boring to watch. So I'm gonna narrate the process a little bit. Pretty much you just peel the stickers, and I'm not gonna lie, it's quite satisfying. Yeah, so that's pretty much the process. Now you can really see the difference. Isn't that crazy? Okay, now the next step I have to do here is put this contact paper over my design and lift off the design with the contact paper, and that's how we'll attach it to my screen. So follow along for the next step. I've got my screen here and I've got my stencil transferred to the screen. And as you can see, it is attached. It just has the contact paper on here now. I'm just gonna have to peel the contact paper off carefully and my stencil will be ready to go. This is kind of the tough, tricky part because sometimes the vinyl does not want to stick to the screen. And you've got to be real careful with it. So this part can be really tedious and take a minute if you're... Yep, there it goes. It's already trying to lift. Yep. So this part is the headache-inducing part of the whole process. This is the part where you have to really be careful not to tear the vinyl. This is so tedious. So tedious, in fact, that I think I'm going to pause the video here and just cut to when I hopefully have it done. And it's all on here in one piece. All right, so after about 20 minutes of cussing and screaming, I got the stencil transferred. It is ready for printing. Now all I gotta do is get my shirt ready, get it on the rack, and we'll pull a print. So naturally, I forgot to take a picture of the shirt. So just imagine that it's a black shirt with that design on it and it's white. Picture it in your head. I know you can. It's beautiful. I gave it to my friend Brooklyn and she loved it. So success. I also forgot to film the next several days. So jump cut to Sunday. All right. It is Sunday and I'm out for my weekly bingo. This is where we park for bingo. James is taking a video of the door over there. He liked how it was flashing. But we're about to go in and play some bingo. We play bingo every Sunday at Old Town. It's one of my favorite things to do in the week, right before I have to go back to work. So, yeah, we're about to go into bingo. Bingo! Bingo! Practicing my bingo yell. Bingo! Alright, bingo update. Well, I won the first game, which was great, and then I promptly threw up on the way home in my car, everywhere. Okay, I won them all. I did win a lovely 3-piece wall art set for my home. Cut to a picture right here. The wall art, I should say, is slightly inappropriate for children, so if you are a child, please stop watching for just like 1 second. Okay, bye. And then I threw up. So, you know, life is crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was my very first one, and I learned I need to record more stuff to make it interesting. It was kind of boring this week, but I worked a lot this week, had a lot of stuff going on, so hopefully in the future the vlogs will be more entertaining. So hopefully you stay tuned and subscribe and stick around. If you have any suggestions or ideas for what you'd like to see videos about or what you'd like to see in my future vlogs, just leave me a comment down below and I'll see if I can make that happen for you. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and please leave a like and comment if you are so inclined. I'll see you in the next one.